So yeah, we're at Vetchies beach. Got my mate Damien here with me. We got Shamal, first time launch. We got Zach's brother, Yaya, and we got Zach over here, and I don't know who's in the background. Oh, I've got shakes because I'm cold. So basically guys, we got all their kayaks. We're going to do a small little intro. They've got some Eric Tunney kayaks, as you can see. And Shamal's got a Clark ski here, the 470 GT. So we're going to have a good day. Myself and Damien, we're going to be out on the duo. And yeah, it's a lovely day, very small, great conditions, overcast and raining. Let's learn how to kayak fish. Alright guys, so welcome back. We're out at sea, as you can see now. Everybody, Shamal's out here safe and sound. Got Damien doing the bloody work for me. We got Yaya. Everyone managed to be safe and dry. There's Zach about to lose his paddle. Put your legs out if you worry you're gonna fall over, bud. And yeah, so it's a beautiful morning out here guys. Yeah, a bit overcast. Surf conditions, basically nothing. I'll put the camera out underwater shortly. But we got a beautiful day. The shark nets is where we're heading to, just ahead here. As you can see though, it's overcast, but flat in the basin here today. Flat. Anyway, we'll be back heading to the shark nets. Laka. Damien fishing here. Let's see what your bait looks like. We got a bit of a down running rolling trace setup and a small little prawn, not very small. We're just chilling basically just off the northern point of the pier here for the harbour mouth. Having a great day again, just staying away from the wind. It's getting a little bit choppier and dark out at sea. You know, yeah, so I've got 2 other guys. They are quite far in the distance down there with orange life jackets on, and we're just having a chill day here out at sea. Lot of litter. Wow, I've never seen so much litter. Well, I have, I suppose, in the harbour because I work there. But we're doing our fair share. We've got some litter in, I think, Damien's hatch, and as you can see there by Damien's ass, he's got some paper. So we're just trying to do our bit and enjoying it. Just chilling out here, hanging out. Just the boys doing our thing, right, Damien? Right guys, so we're basically heading back now. We're on our way back into where we beach. It's been a fun day. Haven't caught any fish except for one live bait. but it's been a stunner out here. It really has been. The wind picked up a bit this morning. I'm making Damien do all the work now. But it's the watercolor is very green. It's still very, very dirty, and the temperature's about, it's cold, I'd say 22 maybe, even less. But it's been a fun day. It's been a fun day. So anyway, we'll see you guys soon again. Let you know what's happening. Stay in touch. Subscribe. Thanks guys.